In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your bank account in Stripe. First, log in using your credentials and access your Stripe account. Once you are in your Stripe account, go to the upper right corner and click on the gear icon to open Settings. From the Settings menu, go to the Payments section. Here, you can access the payment settings options. Next, go to the Payment Methods tab. In this section, you can view the payment methods connected to your Stripe account. If you already have a bank account connected, locate it and click Edit. This will allow you to update the bank details. If you do not have a bank account added, select the option to create or add a payment method, then continue with entering the required information. To update your bank account details, choose the option to continue or enter your bank details manually. If you choose the manual option, enter your bank information including the routing number and account number. After entering the details, submit the information to save the changes. You can also select from the available bank options in Stripe. If you choose a listed bank, you will be redirected to a bank login window. Enter your bank login details to connect the account and update your bank information. The same process applies to the available bank options shown in Stripe. Select your bank, complete the login process, and your bank details will be updated. If you have issues changing your bank account, go to the Stripe Support option. Select Get Support and enter your question to receive assistance with the issue. Your bank account details can now be updated in Stripe. Thank you for watching.